started off yesterday morning at 33. We climbed to 63, and we're going to climb to 73 today. A little ahead of the pace for what's normal in the month of February. Let's take a look at this upcoming month. This is the first weekday of the month of February. Our average high temperatures get a little warmer by 6 degrees, close to 60 by February 29th. Average low temperatures don't climb as much, only 4 degrees between now and the end of the month. February is on average, and again, what actually happens can be very far away from what's average, but on average, it's our second snowiest month, just under 2 inches of snow in the triangle. And we know, regardless of what the weather actually does, we're going to gain almost an hour of daylight in the 29 days of February. Right now, it's a little chilly in spots, but not bad. 39 degrees in Smithfield, 7 degrees above freezing, and freezing's our average low temperature. We're a dozen degrees above that right now. Carter Finley Stadium, a few high clouds out there going to make for a pretty sunrise, and we will see those high clouds off and on throughout the day. They're not going to slow down the warm-up. The southwesterly winds are going to boost us up into the low 70s. 30 degrees warmer than where we are right now. 42 in Raleigh, 44 Durham, only 39 in Chapel Hill, one of the cold spots along with Smithfield, but it's 50 degrees in Fuquay Arena. We pan farther south, more 50s on the map. 50 in Fayetteville, 52 degrees in Hope Mills is the warm spot across all of central North Carolina. Light jacket weather this morning, and you can forget about that later on today. Great weather for our backseat driver dogs of the day, Leah and Honey. Thank you to the Kukowski family for sharing that picture with us. Looks like they're ready to go to the park. Perfect weather for it today. Look at these temperatures. Up into the upper 50s by 10 a.m., mid-60s by noon, low 70s for highs this afternoon, just jumping by leaps and bounds every hour into early afternoon, and no hint of rain in the forecast yet today. Let's check out hour-by-hour temperatures elsewhere. Warming up across the board. We're going to be up into the 60s everywhere by noon, just a matter of how far into the 60s. And I think most of us are going to top 70 degrees by several degrees in most locations this afternoon. About 20 degrees above average, but still about 10 degrees below our records for today in the low 80s in both the Triangle and in Fayetteville. A few showers possible late tomorrow. Most of that will evaporate on the way in. Scattered showers off and on Wednesday, but the heaviest rain is going to start moving in from the west Wednesday night, and that heavy rain is going to continue falling throughout much of the day on Thursday. Not only the potential for a couple of stronger thunderstorms Thursday and Thursday night, but also this long stretch of heavier rainfall means we're going to have to watch for the potential of just too much rain adding up. We will add it up with the Weather Prediction Center's estimate across central North Carolina. A little bit less the farther east and southeast you go, but still an inch or two of rain for the southern coastal plain. Much of central North Carolina in this red shading, which indicates the potential for more than 3 inches of total rainfall between now and early on Saturday mornings. This takes us through the end of the work week. That's a little too much rain in a short amount of time, so we'll be on the lookout for any localized flooding problems, mainly Thursday and Thursday night. We'll also watch for any storms that produce a damaging wind threat, especially Thursday afternoon into the evening. Once that system moves out, we'll see some lingering showers early Friday. Temperatures drop off, but not too far. We're still going to be a few degrees above average this weekend. A little chance of showers late Saturday. I'm not too worried about it at this point. And then we dry out for a couple of days, Sunday and Monday. But for today, the rare combination this time of year of warmth and sunshine. Usually it's warm and wet or dry and cold. We get the best of both worlds today.
So today you just get to enjoy it.
Yeah.
And then later in the week, we'll pull out the rain gear.
Yeah, and we'll keep an eye on that flooding threat and severe weather threat for you, but still a few days off.
Absolutely. A little taste of spring here as well. 6:21. All right, Paul, thanks for that. Let's show you what's going on. A quiet